Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. And in today's video, guys, we are going to be diving into quite a few memes, in fact, for the second video. And that is going to be Bird Dog, Peng, Ponky, LFGO, and Success Kid. Guys, if you are bullish on any of these memes, or if you're looking forward to this video, guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you're new, certainly subscribe so you don't miss out on any of this juicy content. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my membership channel where you can learn some pretty decent alphas on how to trade, like on Peng, Ponky, and a few more videos coming out today, as I can see lovely trade setup that's emerging from some of these memes for less than a coffee. Yes, guys, so it's roughly around about $5. So for that $5, you can learn some of these beautiful alphas in order for you to be able to capitalize and make some crazy gains. So what are you waiting for, guys? Hit that subscribe right over here to that membership. Anyway, why don't we get into the video? But before we do so, I think you know what time it is. It's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets. Let's get into the video. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So without further ado, let's get into Bird Dog, because the current market cap is at $1.48 million and we are up on a day 12.41% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at it's at 0.002 cents. So let's take a closer look at the chart and see what is going on in the world of Bird Dog. Right, guys, look at this. There's been some scary moments actually, because we dropped all the way back down here. We actually fell below then this level right up here, which is quite a dangerous moment there, because we thought we were going to continue all the way back down. Don't get me wrong, it's not that dangerous. It just gives us a second opportunity to buy Bird Dog at a really cheap and a discounted price. However, we're not exactly out of the woodwork yet. Even though we did for a short while pump to the upside, we then pull back into this level right over here. Now normally after a pump, I would always love to see a retracement, because usually that gives me a stronger confidence that we should be able to head our way back to the upside. And if we take a look at this, alright, so it looks like it could be on its way back to the up. So this could be a good entry trade right over here. And we should be holding for this level right up here. And then once we smash through that, we should continue our way to the upside, even from the current price to this level right over here. We could still expect a nice easy, check this out guys, a nice easy 128% move to the upside. You can still 1x your account. Maybe you want to take your profit out so you can use it on any other meme coins or projects that you were into. Or if you're super duper bullish on Bird Dog, we could see a blast from the upside right from down here. Now let's measure from the current price to the last all-time highs, just give an idea on how many X's to expect. Not from there, that's not accurate enough. From here all the way to the top of the wick, that's 505%, but I like to measure it from the body, and that's 96% move to the upside. Guys, I reckon we can still see more than a 100x for Bird Dog, because in order for us to see 10x away from here, the market cap will need to get to 24 million. Then to see 100x, 248 million. And then finally, for that 1000x, we need to see $2.4 billion market cap. Is more than doable. So I reckon we should be able to see some insane gains coming in for Bird Dog in the future. So anyway, let's get into the next one. And that is going to be Ponky. Ponky is not doing too bad today. The market cap is $172 million. We are up on a day of 10.10%. It's fluctuating. But either way, guys, this is looking pretty decent. Because Ponky is in fact in one of my premium members only video, and it's looking like that we should be heading our way to the upside. Now if you've been following me on my membership only channel, then we will be in a pretty decent profit already. But however, once we do reach up back into this level, then you, as well as well, you potentially, you still got time, but my members, if they've been watching this video, they will be on a verge of being some in a pretty decent trade, because this one trade here is 107%. This second trade here is 119, so that's 226. And then finally, this one here, 226 plus, that is 358% to the upside, and that's our target right over here. Guys, if you'd like to learn how to do this, only members right over here, it costs you about the same price as a coffee. So don't be shy, guys. Try it for 1 month and see for yourself, because you'll be able to get into positions like these and be able to be honest, get yourself in profit. So it's actually worth going for it. But anyway, why don't we just continue on with the video, because I reckon even for Ponky, we can still see some and alright gains for the future, but it won't be ridiculous purely because the market cap is high up already at $171 million. 10x away from here, 1.7 billion. Potentially we could see 100x, but then the market cap will get to 17 billion. What do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon that Ponky could see that 100x, or do you think we can go as high up as only 10x? You let me know in the comments. So why don't we jump into the next one, and that is going to be Peng. Peng is at $12.50 million market cap, and we're up on a day 6.93% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 12 cents. Guys, do not sleep on Peng, because I reckon with Peng we should be able to see some decent gains coming up. And again, Peng has been featured within my members only video on learn how to trade. Like I said, you can actually use my channel as a signal as well if you wish. And the best bit about it, guys, you can actually not just use it as a signal, but I'll also teach you to how to map out these trades like this. Because let's get into the charts a little bit more so I can show you for myself. Because take a look at this beautiful chart. Right, okay, so we're currently below from our entry, which is absolutely fine, but we've gone in right over here. So it looks like once we do fulfill the trade and we do come all the way up to here, which I reckon is imminent. It's going to take several weeks, of course, but we will get there. The first trade here, 101%, and the second trade here is 130%, so that's 241% all in all. So that's 241 plus 163. So that means, what's that, 241, that's 304, that's 302, that's 402% to the upside. Guys, that is not looking too bad. So in order for us to get there with these 3 different trades, that would be a nice 4x just to this level right up here. Now, if I was to pull this all the way up to the last all-time highs, and what can we expect from this trade? So for any of you guys who's been trading Peng, and you've been using my trade signals, but most importantly using my members only video to learn how to trade in this sort of style and fashion, then guys, we could see a potentially beautiful run to the upside with some decent gains. Because in order for us to see our 10x, we could see more than 10x just for us to reach back up to the last all-time highs. Check this out. Yep, roughly around about there. So if we squeeze back into the charts, fantastic. This trade over here will be 578%, and the second trade over here, it will be at 463. So 463, 570. Okay, that's 900. So that's 1,000, 1,001, 1,011% just from these 2 trades. That's 1,011, 1,531% to the upside. So just from these trades, if we hold, once we get up to there, sorry, not our all-time highs, that's already over 11x, guys. That's only from where we are to the second all-time highs. I'm not even going to bother measuring to the all-time highs because, guys, you will need to, and be a bit greedy now, head over to my membership, and that way I'll show you how to make these sort of trades and simplify things without having to do some crazy leverage trading. So yes, guys, so I reckon we're paying, we can still see some incredible gains coming in for this project. 10x away from here, 125 million, and then 100x, $1.2 million. I reckon we can get a lot higher. So why don't we get into the next one? And that is gonna be LFGO. So let's go search for the lovely LFGO, because I reckon sooner rather than later we are going to see some beautiful exponential move to the upside. But we just need to search for this coin because I haven't bothered to open up a new tab. Bit lazy of me, I know. I've been a bit lazy as of late. Let's go look for LFGO. Here we are. Alrighty then, guys. So for LFGO, the market cap is at $3.05 million. We are up on the day at 4.74% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.003. So let's take a closer look at the chart and let's see what we see. Alright, guys, so this is looking pretty decent right now. I reckon we are on the verge of seeing some lovely moves to the upside. Yep. Let's zoom in a little bit more. We are creating in a lower high, high low. Yep. So this is looking pretty bullish if you ask me. So the first area that we need to break will be right up here. And once we do break this level, then we should be able to continue in this sort of pattern. It doesn't have to be precise, but it'll be something like this. And our target will be right up here. So if you pull out the measuring tool from here to there, that's 154% move to the upside. However, look at this, guys. Look at this wonderful looking chart, because entering now and holding until we get right up here, that is at 707% move to the upside. A nice easy 7x. But I reckon, guys, we should be able to see bigger moves coming in, because with LFGO, it's got really strong meme appeal about itself. The website is absolutely beautiful. I reckon there'll be more things coming in within the project, and I do believe that this could literally run into billions, even if you get up to 3 billion from here. That would be 3 billion. So 10x away from here, it'd be 30 million. 100x away from here, it'd be at 305 million, and then that's 3 billion. That would be at 1000x. So let's go to the last one, guys, and that is going to be Success Kid, and then we can wrap up the video. 3, 2, 1. All right, so here we are with Success Kid. The market cap is slightly down at $2.4 million. We are now, we are fractionally down on the day of 2.76%, and the price is at 2 cents. So let's take a closer look at the chart once it decides to appear. Here we are. Okay, so we pulled all the way back from that original move to the upside, which is almost expected. Now, why don't we just zoom in a little bit more so we can have a closer look. Alright, guys, check this out. We are still in the balance of holding this level right over here. Anywhere between here, it'd be a perfect buying opportunity, because I reckon once we do continue our way to the upside, then, guys, we could be expecting a nice easy move back up to that 49-50% move from here. Even if you fall further down, it's absolutely fine. Just like how I showed you with my Ponky and my Peng trade, we could still capitalize and make some pretty serious gains before we even get back up to this level right up here, let alone the all-time highs. So in terms of entry, right about now would be perfect to enter, because it looks like as the chart is flipping, total freeze looking exceptionally good, and BTC is holding its ground. So I reckon with Success Kid, we can easily see 1000x from here, because 1000x away from here is at $2.4 billion. Guys, thank you ever so much for tuning in and watching my videos. And for secondly, apologies for not pumping as much videos out as of late, because I've been focusing on quite a few things happening in my personal life. But anyway, I'm not looking for that sad soppy story or for you to play the world's smallest violin. If anything, show me some love and respect by giving me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications if you haven't done so already. Head over to my YouTube channel and subscribe if you're not a member yet. Guys, what are you waiting for? Become a member so you can get this juicy content like how to trade for these members only right over here. But anyway, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you all in the next one.